Hi, let's make a unboxing of this docking station. It's meant to connect your smartphone to external monitor. Says is HDMI, 4K resolution, USB-C with PD, power delivery charging, which is some sort of smart technology, gives whatever your smartphone is asking for in order to provide the optimum charging time and take care of the battery life across the years. And says strong compatibility. I have a Huawei. This is my Huawei P30 Pro, and I will see if I can make it work. First, let's make the unboxing. I'm sorry, it seems like the camera is shaking. Maybe my table is not very sturdy. Sorry about that. So I got one of these docking station of this brand for my laptop, so I'm happy with them. Now let's see how this product performs. Very slick, very nice. Let me show you. Here is the power, the USB-C input from here to my phone, HDMI for the external monitor, two USB 3.0 dockings, and USB-C. I will say this output, I do not know. I will read the manual. And the way it works, you open up this and you put your phone here. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, but first, to finish the unboxing, what else is here? Here is the charger, right? Because I'm in America, this is the American charger. I would assume if you order from Europe, you will get the equivalent. And we have here, okay, that is like a, what's going on here? Okay, we have here below the USB-C to USB-C cable. Since I have that many, I'm not going to bother to using that one. I will use the ones I have. And let's give it a try. Hi, sorry for the mess I have on my desktop, but FYI, I tried to connect with some of my USB-C cables I had, but was not working. I was getting an error, so I used the USB-C to USB-C cable. It came with the docking station. Now it's working nicely. And let me show you very quickly. I'm sorry for the mess again. I attach a Logitech unifying sensor receiver for my trackball and keyboard, the USB-C monitor, this USB-C to USB-C that goes to my phone, and the power. Now here is the LED that indicates power on for the docking, even if the phone is not attached. And now here is what I got. This is a 27 inches monitor. I'm using my external keyboard and trackball, and works really nicely, right? I have access to all the apps on my phone. I will assume some are going to work, some not, but at the moment I am very excited about this. Now it's like having a desktop computer, right, without actually having another one. So yes, I'm happy. I think for the price point, it's an excellent addition to your gadgets, so you can do more with your phone with a big screen rather than spending time and your fingertips with a small screen. So give it a try. I think for the price point should work fine. Again, I'm using a Huawei P30 Pro and it's working like a charm. Here in the bottom right you have the touch selection, icon for volume, Wi-Fi, battery percentage, time, and the 3 buttons for classic Android, right? So yes, I'm happy and recommended. Thank you for watching.